My background is in corporate, so I spent 15 years in marketing. And I definitely think one message to tell everyone today is you're not starting from zero. Like, I kind of felt that a little bit coming into health coaching. I was like, I've got this corporate background. I haven't got a background in health and wellness. Who's going to take me seriously? But the reality is, having a corporate background has been an absolute game changer to get into health and wellness, because not many people really understand the corporate world and understand health and wellness and that kind of transformational change. So that's really given me an edge trying to get into the work that I'm doing. So I've left my corporate career, left that. Where are you? My light is very easy now to click arrow to say first call in there. Oh yeah, there you are. That first call, I talked about wanting to leave behind my corporate career and move towards, coaching, health and wellness, helping people improve their lives. And I have absolutely completely changed my life since then. So I'm out of corporates, but I'm working with corporates. And that's why that kind of corporate background really helps me in the work that I do. I think another couple of big pieces of advice, I guess, I would give you is, firstly, like, if you're looking to get into corporates, come talk to me. I'll give you all the advice that you want. But what they're looking for at the moment is preventative. That's the big thing at the moment in corporates. So a lot of people are getting to crisis point. A lot of people are getting to needing help from the employee assistance programs, the APs, if anyone understands that kind of world. And that is crisis point. That's when it's got past the point of preventative. And that's the point of potentially going off on stress leave, all of the big costs that employees get. So that preventative piece is massive now in the corporate world. So obviously health coaching is could be such a huge part of that. So I'm on such a mission now to bring health coaching into corporates. It's quite new, it's quite emerging, but everyone I'm speaking to in my day-to-day life in the corporate world really understands the role that health coaching can play. So that's kind of my mission at the moment. I'm doing a lot of group coaching. So that's, from my perspective, that's the first step towards corporates, because it's quite expensive to do one-on-one coaching in corporates. But if you can open up to groups, that really does open up some doors. So really think about that kind of that group coaching dynamic. I'd say think about packages. So really think about what are you bringing to that corporate world. And if you can package something up, that can really help you get through the door. And finally, on like a personal level, I would say just back yourself. I think we all have imposter syndrome coming into this process. We all question our abilities as a coach, but actually, one thing I've definitely learned since I've sort of graduated a few months ago is we know so much more than most people know. And that piece around behavior change is massive. And the other piece is health and wellbeing, like that touches everything. I think sometimes people don't quite understand health coaching when you first start talking about it. But when you talk about how people feel, how people can perform at their best and feel at their best, that really resonates with people. So you don't necessarily have to go in talking about health coaching. It's like, no, actually our health is everything around us and how we're feeling and how we're showing up at work. And that's the language that can really resonate with people. So that's been my journey. So much more to go, but I'm very happy to give all the advice and talk to everyone after this. But hopefully that gives you a few little tips and inspires you to just go for it, because it's definitely all to play for, I'd say. Fantastic.